Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update, and this is for Monday, the 28th of October, 2019, about 9:22 a.m. Central Daylight Time, and whoa, new all-time high in stock indices. Runaways in some of these markets. Look at this phenomenal run to the upside. It's interesting because you're down in the bonds and the notes. We have the FOMC meeting this week. The market is baked into it now. We're going to get a quarter-point hike, and that the Fed, in some manner, will be signaling that if they need to be there, again, they will, but this is probably the end of the insurance cuts that it needs at this point in time. At the same time, energy prices down a little bit. A mixed day in the grain markets. You know, we're in the middle of harvest now. The leaves are falling everywhere. If you missed the Midwest and the colors, they are rampant right now. Trees falling in terms of the leaves, just beautiful. Then as we get to the dollar index, a little bit lower as the euro's up. In the British pound, watch out on Brexit. It was given a 30-day extension by the European Union. Now today, this evening, there'll be a vote actually on whether or not the general election call that Mr. Johnson, the Prime Minister, is calling will be passed. It is widely expected not to pass. But there's a shot that tomorrow, two of the parties that might pass something might bring another vote for that tomorrow. It's always moving there. In the metal markets, you're down today, not a surprise, all right? When you get the stock market roaring like this, not a surprise at all. Keep your eye on the VIX. It'll be interesting to see where that goes today. And other than that, I think we're just sit and watch what's going on. Now, as for today's events, I wish I could tell you there was one thing that did it. It isn't. In fact, the one piece of news we've got today, National Activity Index down 0.45. The priors were a positive 10. So what do you do with that? As I said, they extended the ECB. The Commerce Department's going to release third quarter GDP coming out this week. European Central Bank said that lending to non-financial corporations grew at an annual rate of just 3.7% in September. That was down from 4.3% in August. So what's making today move? I wish I could tell you. It's not any one thing. It's just that the market's looking at all that's going on, and it's decided to blast forward. Now, one of the things that you know I did is last week I wrote a special report on stock indices, and I've got to tell you, if you look at these charts and what's going on, and they're in there, I put plenty of them in it. This event is what I was looking for. So I'm not ashamed to say it. I'm proud to say it. The silver chart, by the way, that's off our website already. This one goes off in a few days. I only put up reports for 5 days at a time because in the futures markets, I'm not looking for what happens 6 months from now. I'm after what's happening in front of the market because that's how futures traders work. If you'd like to see the report, it's got the seasonals, 5, 15, 30-year. Monthly, quarterly, price count charts. I mean, I've really given you a wealth of information in it. Take a look. It's all video. All you do is go to our website, www.iraepstein.com. Under the word research, you'll see Ira Stock Index Report. Click it. Away you go. Tell me you like it. Tell me you don't like it. I'd like to hear from you. In any case, you can always reach us if you have commentary or you need help with anything at 866-973-2077. I will be doing another report this week. I'm going to decide today what it's on. You have a good day.